A deer hunting trip is an exciting experience. You get some quality fresh air and a true outdoor adventure. Hunting is challenging, but the best gear can be a difference maker. The right equipment can make outstanding foot plots, proper clothing can keep bugs off and worms in, and a good scent can draw in deer for a shot. Beyond these tactical advantages, good gear protects you from cruddy weather that is more or less a given if you spend any amount of time outdoors. And the less cold and wet and miserable you are, the longer you can endure in the field, significantly upping your chances of bagging a duck, a deer, an elk, or whatever you quarry. There are so many products to choose from as a deer hunter, it can be overwhelming to find which gear is right for you. Deer hunting requires a thoughtful preparation, so we have compiled a list of the 5 best deer hunting packages that can keep you ready for anything in your next hunting venture.
Here at Top of Zone, we are a bunch of researchers and testers. We test, analyze, research new products and create our list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so that viewers may know about new products. Our goal is to create proper shopping guidelines so that our viewers can make proper decisions.
Designed for the professional as well as the amateur, Pintys Optics will withstand any weather condition. It thrives on the tactical and the practical in order to give you a toy that provides excellently at a super price and for prolonged usage. It is helpful to know that Pintys is well known for its exceptional customer service and return policy. This device boasts a red and green illuminated reticle that works in varying light and weather conditions, ensuring peak performance with its fog and waterproof constructions. The red and green illuminations have 5 levels of brightness. This rifle scope works exceptionally for objects in proximity using its awesome red laser feature. With its multi-coated objective lens, it delivers you lucidity and precision. Field view and laser range spans 100 yards. Overall, it is weatherproof, sustaining you through the mistiest and foggiest conditions. With adjustable brightness and a red laser, this scope will help you make your best shot. The most important part of any cold weather hunting gear list has to be a pair of boots. The Dana Pronghorn hunting boots are available with either 400 grams, 800 grams or 1200 grams of Primaloft insulation. The outside of the Dana Pronghorn boots comes in real tree-edge camel colorway that helps you blend in while walking and combined with a Vibram sole that can handle the roughest of terrain you may encounter on your hunt. The Pronghorn boots are waterproof thanks to Gore-Tex, and if you include some boot leather from time to time, these boots will keep you dry for the long haul. One of the favorite things to do in these boots is to ride up a mountain. They deliver awesome support from front to back and side to side. The boots perform best with the metal lace hook loosened a bit, otherwise there is a bit of pinch point where your foot flexes. Tighten up the rest and you got a boot that will go as far as you are willing to take it. Overall, the boot fits as a true hunting or hiking boot shoot. A travel towel is an essential item to have on a deer hunting trip. Your guaranteed satisfaction is why Youphoria has uncontestedly the best travel towel on the market. They come in a variety of sizes, so there is one for every occasion and location. This microfiber towel can hold 5 times its weight in water and can dry up to 10 times faster than traditional cotton towels. The snap hanging loops make it easy to hang your towel almost anywhere to dry. So if you are on the go, you can still pack it away without everything else in your bag getting wet. This feature makes it the most functional microfiber towel for traveling. It is available in various sizes and colors. You can choose any one as per your personal preference. So its quick drying ability will not weigh you down as you trek through the woods. If you are a travel or fitness enthusiast and want to make your travel experience easy and convenient, you must use this awesome travel towel from Youphoria. The woods get extremely dark at night. A LED flashlight assists you moving around quietly in the dark. Even if you are not in hunting mode, a flashlight is a great tool to brighten your vision. If you are looking for an affordable tactical flashlight that you could take you through on the go, you will likely want to check out the S1000 LED tactical flashlights from GearLight. This tactical flashlight is an awesome stow-and-go option for those who could benefit from having a tactical flashlight on hand. This flashlight is lightweight, durable, and affordable. The unit measures 6.1 inch into 1.57 inch into 1.57 inch and weighs 5.1 ounces. GearLight claims that the lights on this product can power objects up to 1000 feet away and that the lights are 10 times brighter than standard incandescent lights. GearLight also designed this product with water, weather, and shock resistance. No matter if you are hunting in the wilderness or a first responder, a tactical flashlight could be one of the essential tools that you carry with you. Also, it is very helpful for setting up camp. Overall, this flashlight is durable and water resistant, making it a reliable supplement to any deer hunting trip. There are plenty of lenses to clean when hunting. Whether it's your rifle, scope, or binoculars, clear lenses are a priority. Calyptus lens cleaner is an eco-friendly and plant-based way to keep all your lenses clear on your hunting trip. The Calyptus spray kit packs 3 bottles and pieces of clothes for you to have the best cleaning experience. It will even help clean all the specks of dirt collected at your workplace or on your way to the office. The agent also eliminates oily traces of our fingers on smart devices like phones or iPad. Such a potent cleaning property is possible due to its effective formula. If you are often irritated with the overwhelming smell of alcohol cleaners, this one is your ideal pack as it delivers of no such scent. It is VOC-free and biodegradable, making it non-toxic for both you and the environment. What the brand is proud of is not just the solution spray but also the ultra-fine dense cloth pieces in the set. You can rely on them to have 100% lint-free rubbing on your premium lenses. Overall, the eyeglasses cleaner cloth and the solution wipe off dirt on your eyeglasses in a few seconds. So they are the best to have in your pocket for a busy day with glasses on.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.